The topic is Model Prisons Act 2023. So, the law which our government follows regarding the prisons is the Prison Act of 1894. So, all the rules, regulations, guidelines which are being followed in the prisons are under this law. That is the Prisons Act of 1894. So the prisons and the prisoners come under the state list of the Indian Constitution. So 129 years have been passed away using this same old law for the prisons. So to make changes which match the present societal needs, Model Prisons Act of 2023 was prepared by the Ministry of Home Affairs to replace this Prisons Act of 1894. So, in this Model Prisons Act of 2023, some of the proposals are the rules regarding reduction of punishments and releasing the prisoners by suspending the punishment, and other bail related rules are proposed, and the rules for vocational training and skill development are proposed, and the new rules for the safety and security of the women prisoners and the usage of new technologies in the prison administration, establishing high security in jails, have been proposed under the Model Prisons Act of 2023 by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So, some of the mains related important questions regarding this topic are: the first question is, Indian prisons portray the plight of human rights and were in dire need of serious reform. Discuss. And the second question is, fairness under Article 21 is impaired when procedural law does not provide speedy trial of the accused. So, in light of the above statement, examine the problem of high ratio of under trials in the Indian prisons and discuss the recommendations of the Law Commission on the prison reforms.